Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to remote start Cadillac XT6. Begin by confirming the vehicle is locked, then press the remote start button on your key fob for 2 seconds. If your XT6 has remote start via the app, open the app and tap remote start. Always verify doors are closed and no warning lights are active before leaving the vehicle running. Use remote start responsibly and follow local laws. Before you try remote start, take a moment to prepare the vehicle so it works smoothly. Check battery health and ensure the car is in park with the hood securely closed. Walk around the XT6 to confirm doors and trunk are shut and no objects block sensors. If any warning lights are illuminated, resolve them first. Prepared checks prevent failed starts and keep your vehicle safe and ready to warm or cool. Using the key fob is often the fastest method for remote start, and the app provides added convenience when you are away from the vehicle. For the fob, press lock twice and hold the remote start button for 2 seconds. For the app, open it, select remote start, and confirm. If the engine does not start, recheck doors, hood, and alerts before retrying. Small steps save time and frustration.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.